Don't get comfortable with me. I don't think I'll let you get comfortable with me.
I can't. Every day now, my objective is hit you at night. Do something she's gonna be like, man, yeah. That's my objective every night. For real. You know, whether it is, she gonna like, I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Oh, she like these.
Yeah.
Oh, let me mop the floor real. Put the mulch down. Look up YouTube. I don't know nothing about God. Gotta get creative, man.
And it works because so many things happen outside the bedroom, especially for women. Like you said, you go to the grocery store, that's the turn on. The way you was upstairs cleaning that bathroom, it's gonna be on. Like for real. You was on your hands and knees cleaning that bathroom, bruh. It's happening. It's happening.
That's the goal.
I got you.
You like a new girl every day. I gotta put in the work to get it.
For sure.
Every day.
All day I dream about sex, bitch, and writing rhymes like Eminem, like Jelly Bean. I'm nasty, the bad boy gentleman. None of my chicks get cash.